Let's take a look and see what comes with our EVO4S logger. As we open the box, we get some AiM stickers, a download QR code for the user guide, the EVO4S itself, a great logger at a competitive price. We have a power connection, USB for download, GPS, EXP for all your AiM expansion devices in the like the LCU1S, shift light module, GS dash, and so many more. ECU connection, beacon if you happen to be racing inside and need a lap beacon, speed input that can be expanded to 2, 5 analog channels, and the option to put in your RPM or have a digital output. Further down in the box, we can see we get our download cable for downloading data and configuring the device, RPM digital output cable, GPS 09 available in 4 meter, 2 meter, 1.3, and half meter options in the stick-on variety like this that surface mount, or 2 meter and 4 meter roof mount that have a stud to go through, power and ground harness, CAN harness for your ECU, and a mounting plate. As we start out here with the GS dash, we see we get a few stickers, download sheet with a QR code to the user guide, and then we get the GS dash itself in a little protective wrapper. The GS dash, we have 2 alarms on each side for a total of 4, shift lights across the top, control buttons, and the attached curly cord that connects to the EXP port or a data hub.